Welcome back to the Started Fitness channel. My name is Ruben and today we're going to do a 10-minute leg workout. If you're a beginner, your body weight is enough, but if you want to challenge yourself more, you can use some resistance bands or some weight. We're going to do 5 different exercises and each exercise we'll do it twice. The duration of each exercise is 50 seconds and then we have 10 seconds of rest between those exercises. Alright, so the only thing you need is your motivation, water and an app. Alright, so let's get started. The first one is a squat. I'm gonna start the app. Here we go. Feet on hip width and go down and up. What's important with this exercise is that your weight is divided over your feet. So from the heel to your toes. But the most weight should be on your heels because then you activate the right muscles. So if you go up, you also have to squeeze your glute very hard and engage in your abs by pulling your belly button a little bit in. How deep you have to go depends on your level and where you are comfortable in at the beginning. So go to the front. Make sure your knees are always pointing out or to the front, but never go in because then you're asking for problems. Almost there. Alright, and with 10 seconds of rest, shake your legs and make also sure that you're breathing while you do the exercise. Here we go again, 10 seconds. Yes, here we go. So, what I just said at the beginning, you don't have to go as deep as I do, you can also do it a little bit higher or deeper, depends on your level and what feels comfortable. Make sure if you go up, you're breathing out, in, out, and also keep those abs engaged, squeeze those glutes when you go up, and your weight should be more on your heels, but even though your toes should be touching the ground. Breathe out, in, out, out. And you can put your hands also on your sides, it doesn't matter, or in front of you. Alright, very good. So the next one is side lunges. Step out, step in, step out, step in. Alright, let's go. Out, in, in. And here also is very important that when you go sideways, that you push through your heels on this side. Alright, so the leg that is going out, that is where the most force should come from the heel. Breathe in, out. Alright, also here, engage your abs, squeeze your glutes when you come up, and now you have a lot of muscle tension on the inside. So we're going to try all the leg muscles. Alright, then we have some rest. Shake your legs. Alright, here we go again. And out. Make sure you're breathing. Keep smiling. And make sure that you do your technique proper. Don't go as fast. You can do that if you want more. If your heart rate, if you want your heart rate a bit higher, some more cardio. But if you're a beginner, just make sure you do the technique right. Keep your chest up. Breathe in and breathe out. In, out. Keep your weight on your heels. Toes are touching the ground. Squeeze your glute when you come up, and engage your abs. Come on, guys. And also here you can put your hands in your side if you like to. And done, very good. Alright, next one is a squat hold. So you're going to stand in a position and you're just going to hold it, alright, for 50 seconds. And go down. And don't put your hands on your legs, keep it in front of you at the beginning. If it's getting harder and harder, put them in your side to support it a little bit. And if you feel your knees, and that may be possible. You have to find out if you have to put your weight more to your heels, that the pressure comes a little bit off your knees. And if you don't, if it's still gonna, ache, you have to stand up a little bit, shake it, and go down again. Okay? So, how deep you want to go, that is, depends on your own fitness level. So, if you hear that's enough, that's enough. But make sure your technique is okay. Your low back is not too hollow. Keep it there. Engage your abs, and rest. You can also do this at the door or wall, but then it's more like a wall sit. Alright, here we go. Last time. Let's go. Squeeze it. Make sure you're still breathing. Your abs are engaged. Even though you try to squeeze your glutes, just try and make sure your weight is not on the front, but more on your heels. Make sure your toes are touching the ground. Have fun. Make sure it burns. Make it to the front now. And also feel if your weight is balanced on between both feet. And if you can't make it, you can just stretch your legs and go down again. Alright, let's go guys. Almost there. Alright, very good, very good. So the next one are just lunges, and we're going to alternate it. So like, and then the next one. Okay? Here we go. Make sure you make a big step, and if you come up again, you have to push through your heel. Okay? So you're trying to make like a good degree here. And what you a lot of times see is they push their knee way far above their feet. That's not necessary. Just make a big step. Make sure you go down. That's the only thing you have to do. But you also have to be careful is if you step that your knee doesn't go in. But you have to keep them straight or out. That's the same way. Make sure you do your technique proper. Very good, alright. Maybe it's possible you have a little bit of balance problems, but you also can bring your hands like here and then do the exercise. Let me show it to you. Then you have more a balanced feeling. On the side. So how deep you have to go depends on your own fitness level. This is also okay if that feels right for you. Just make sure you have a good rhythm, you don't fall, you don't get out of your balance. Make sure your technique is proper, so you engage your abs. When you come up, you squeeze your glutes, you breathe out when you come up, in, out, out, in, out, in, out. Alright guys, come on, almost there. Good job, good job. Alright, so the next one we're gonna do is a bridge. So you have to lay down on your back, and you bring your hip up, and you stay there for 25 seconds. So you have to grab your phone, or whatever you're using your timer. So when it is on 25 seconds, we have to move up and down with our hips. But for now, you make sure you're squeezing your glutes, and that your abs are engaged, alright? Alright, here we go, up and down, and up. And when you go up, you're squeezing your glutes very hard, okay? So relax and up, relax and up. And try to push through your heels, okay? Almost there. And 10 seconds of rest. Alright, so if you don't feel it very hard, you can use some resistance bands above your knee or some weight like dumbbells. That will challenge you. Here we go again guys, come on. Hold it for 25 seconds. Make sure you're breathing. You can lay down your head if you want to, so that your neck is more relaxed. But make sure that you're keeping your hip leveled, because the gravity wants to push you down, but fight it. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes. Abs are engaged. Almost there. 2, 1, up and down. Let's go. Let's go and squeeze. Let's go and squeeze. You have to touch the ground. And push through your heels upwards. And you also can feel it on your legs. It's also good for your hamstrings, for your glutes. But you have to be active with that. So squeeze it. And done. Very good, very good. Good job. Alright. That's about, well, what should I say? 10 minutes. Hopefully you like it. Well, you can do this like 2 or 3 times a week, and it definitely will strengthen your legs. Hopefully you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye.